Hey loves, welcome to Modern Day Spiritual. I'm Brandi Daniels and I am your manifestation and alignment coach. And I am so happy that you are here. I am honored and excited that you downloaded this 2-minute morning alignment practice. Oh, okay. So where did this come from? Well, to keep the story short, I know you want to get into it. This is a practice that I've developed personally over time. And regardless of how the night was the night before, regardless of whatever's going on in the world and different circumstances, when I become present and I ground myself and I do this 2-minute practice, it really just changes everything. I find that I feel more grounded, that I'm starting my day off in the right way. And honestly, whatever comes my way, I can tackle. And that's truly what I want for you. You are here because you are high achieving. You put a lot on your plate. You're probably trying to please a lot of people. Um, but you're also frustrated, right? You're frustrated with the direction your life is going. It's still not exactly what you had anticipated, what you planned for. And as I say, we plan, God laughs, right? And there are things that we can do. There are practices that we can implement to really help us get back on course if that's what we're feeling we're off course, or to help us find that direction for ourselves versus a direction that everyone else is wanting us to go. So, this 2-minute alignment practice is really about coming back home to yourself. It's about finding 2 minutes in your day, preferably your morning, just for you before the world takes over, before the kids take over, before the bosses and coworkers and staff take over. This is 2 minutes for you to ground and feel into what you want your day to look like. And I say we start there because it's the best place, right? Today. Let's work on today, this moment. And as you continue this practice, you'll see the ripple effects into your week, into your month, into the whole year. It won't stop with just one 2-minute practice. It keeps going. All right. So, what I want you to do, make sure you're in a comfortable seat. You can do this along with me, or you can watch the video first. And then when you are ready to actually go through your 2-minute practice, you can then sit and do it. And eventually you do this enough times, of course, you will know it by heart, right? You will be able to do this without having the script, which, if you haven't already noticed, there is the transcript and the actual script along with this recording. I want to make this as simple and easy for you as possible because when it's simple, you do it. As a splenic manifester, I can attest that that is how it works. And routine, you know, structure are not my favorite things, but this is something that really resonated with me and I have been able to stick with. So here we go. All right. So I want you to either find yourself in front of a mirror, if you like. I usually have a little pocket mirror next to me if I'm, in my workspace, or I do this in front of the mirror in the bathroom, right? Wherever you want. But doing it in front of a mirror is very powerful as well because you're speaking directly to yourself. You see yourself. You're making that connection. If that's not possible, then don't let that deter you. Just find a nice spot to sit and prepare. I want you to take a few deep grounding breaths. That means they're coming up from your pelvis, all the way up to your stomach, your abdomen, through your chest, and out your nose, and then out. So full deep breaths. I want you to feel like you're feeling your chest area. You're opening up your chest, your heart, and you're exhaling. I like to take 3 of those. Three feels really good. So one more. And I like to inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And even when I'm inhaling through my nose, I'm inhaling loudly. I want you to hear that. It should sound like in the ocean, right? If you do yoga, it's referred to as ujjayi breath. But there's something very powerful in hearing the breath. It automatically calms your nervous system, right? It sends messages throughout your nervous system that, okay, we're breathing. Obviously, we're safe. Everything is okay. Place your right hand over your heart. You can have your left hand on your stomach if you like. And when you're ready, we're going to start with a tapping sequence to begin. So if you're not familiar with tapping, that's okay. Just follow along. I'm going to be doing several types of motions. So just watch and you'll pick it up. Don't worry. No stress. So we always start with the karate chop. So that's on the side of our hand. And we'll start with, even though I have so much to accomplish today, I deeply and completely trust my inner wisdom. Eyebrow, I release the need to prove my worth. Self-worth is the best worth. Side of eye, I trust my natural rhythm. Under the eye, I choose aligned action over hustle. Under the nose, my worth isn't my achievements. Chin, I am safe to trust my intuition. Collarbone, everything I need is within me. I release the need to know everything. Everything I need is within me. Underarm, I choose peace over pressure. And lastly, top of head, I am divinely guided. All right, so let's go through that one more time. I'm not going to call out the spaces. You just follow along and repeat what I'm saying. Even though I have so much to accomplish today, I deeply and completely trust my inner wisdom. I release the need to prove my worth. I trust my natural rhythm. I choose aligned action over hustle. My worth isn't in my achievements. I am safe to trust my intuition. Everything I need is within me. I choose peace over pressure. I am divinely guided. Deep breath in. The second part is done in front of a mirror. So you would definitely want to make sure you can get yourself to a mirror. And I want you to look into your own eyes and speak this blessing. I don't want you to say the words. I want you to say them with conviction. I want you to feel what you're telling yourself. That is truly where manifestation starts. It's not just envisioning. It's not just in vision boards and Pinterest boards, things like that. It's speaking the words and the energy behind those words, the intention behind those words. Manifestation is literally what you speak out into the universe, as if the universe, because it is, as if the universe has its paper and its pen and it's taking notes and it's taking your order. So you're going to say this part with conviction. And although this is a 2-minute practice, this part might be the hardest. So I want you to know and give yourself some grace and compassion that this might take you a few times. This initial practice might be a little longer than 2 minutes, and that's okay. Because what I want you to do is not just go through the actions. I want you to feel into the actions of this practice. So deep breath in. I bless my energy field with clarity, confidence, and divine guidance. I bless my day with aligned opportunities and graceful expansion. I bless my mind with peaceful focus and intuitive wisdom. I bless my heart with deep trust and joyful receiving. I am a powerful creator, and today I choose to create from alignment. I am a powerful creator, and today I choose to create from alignment. And I want you to feel free to repeat that as many times as you need to until you feel it. The last part is the embodiment practice. Now, this is also where you get to feel into what you've said, what you are doing, the intention of why you even downloaded this practice in the first place. What is it you're hoping that this practice will bring to your life, right? Because it's all about bringing in the good stuff so that we can release the bad, the negative, the things that no longer serve us. So I want you to close your eyes. Place one hand over your heart, one on your belly, either hand. Take three deep breaths in again. And this time I want you to visualize the most beautiful golden white light you can imagine. And it's high above your head. And it's so bright. And it's slowly coming down. And you can feel its warmth. And it's enveloping you. It's hugging you. You feel its warmth. You feel it all around you. You feel protected. This beautiful white light with ribbons of pink and golden string. And this string is so strong. It protects you. It protects your aura. I want you to feel into the energy of your intentions. Why you said yes to downloading this practice. Why you're saying yes to yourself. Why this time right now is the most perfect time ever for you to start on this path, on this journey. And with your eyes still closed, I want you to smile gently, knowing that you are already everything that you desire to be. One more deep breath through the nose. Hold and release. And if you're still in front of your mirror, I want you to open your eyes. And I want you to take one final look at your beautiful self. And this is the most important part of this whole practice. I want you to repeat after me. Thank you. And I want you to say your name. So I'll say, thank you, Brandi. I trust you. Let's create magic today. One more deep breath in. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.